So y'all gonna subscribe, or you know you could put a little stank on that little subscribe button or whatnot. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is MUShay, and I'm going to be doing this lovely video on the topic of makeup is art. Makeup is art. There ain't no way around it. Like, if you go and take a look at these implements, tools, Crayolas, products, objects, whatever you can call them, anything of that nature, whatever, doesn't matter if you're gonna use these Crayolas nor these Crayolas, or these majestic looking motherfuckers. I might use this for makeup, you know. So, fun fact right here. Look at this. This is my upscale painting brush kit, right? We got this right here that looks like some type of special brush for a certain type of thing, right? And then we got these over here, and we got these things over here. Is that a beauty blender? I low-key think that this is a beauty blender just for painting, but not makeup. What makes you think that our makeup brush set, hold on, didn't derive from this right here? So you see what I'm trying to get at? What I already noticed straight off bat, that this I've seen as a concealer brush in makeup before, this particular one, or even a flat brush, because I have one just like this right here is for makeup, it's for painting. This one right here to me looks like a fan brush. I've seen people use this in painting for trees or whatnot. This can be also used as a fan brush when it comes down to makeup. We got all these different clues. We got all these different clues that tells me that makeup is art. Also indicating the label makeup artist. And just like art itself, we do have these different trends. We have fashion, logos, maybe even styles of wearing your hair. Like, all of those things are different forms of art. And it's crazy because I can go ahead and tell you that art is so, it is so different, and it is so, there's really no wrong way that you can do artwork. There's like ways that people think that things should look, or there's rules that we go on makeup as people. We feel like it should look a certain way, or maybe it should be like this, or should be like that. But really, there is no wrong way of doing artwork, nor there is wrong way of doing your makeup. So it's really a personal preference when it comes down to makeup and also art, because you want to make whatever you're trying to create something for you. We will have trends like this. We will have trends like this. We will have trends like this. And we also will have trends like this. Whatever that, I have no idea what that is, but that is still art. That's there. Yeah. We will have trends like this. That right there looks like a rock, like a pet rock, like they had going on, where they, you know, you buy a rock. I think it was like the 70s or 80s or something like that, where you buy a rock and you go and decorate it. Or that might just be a Photoshop assignment of some sort. Or we have these other examples that are things that kind of just have a spark and then they die down, or they always be consistent. Some stuff just sticks, like me. Okay, so this right here is a good example of one of the trends that I started. This is called a Shay Stash, and I ended up doing it because I wanted my lips to stand out more, but not necessarily take so much attention away from my eyeshadow, but give me a little bit of a complimentary look towards the eyeshadow and also the lips. So yeah, this is kind of those conversations that you run into people that's like politics, or that's like race, one of those things that everybody has all those point of views. But artwork wise, in this category, I'll just use what works for you. Doesn't matter if it's whatever eyeshadow brand, whatever products use. Same thing with paints. There's some paints that I like to use, and then there's some other paints that I do not like to use in other colors, so I just use what works for me. I'm the type of artist where if I go and I paint something, I have to do it right then and there, because taking breaks kind of lowers down the interest of me trying to achieve whatever I want to achieve. I'm getting a little bit better at it now. It's just that before then, I would try to do a whole painting. Like, I would try to literally do a portrait within like an hour, and it would be like a really big portrait. It wouldn't be like no little teeny weeny thing. I would have to try to go and sculpt out, which is like drawing and everything like that, and then I would have to paint it. If you feel like you need different things or different products to make another product, like, who really cares? At the end of the day, you're the person that's going to be looking at that artwork. You're the person that's going to be wearing on your face. So it doesn't matter what you do and how you got it. It's right there, boom boom, and it's for me. That's all I had to say. Like, it's there. Oh yeah, I also decorated my makeup brush bag with the Angelus acrylic leather paint. I thought that was pretty dope. It's just one of those things that a lot of my clients really did like, that I was really artsy and I was creative, so that kind of gave them the trust and security that they wanted to know that I was just going to slay their face. So yeah, this is just one of those things that I like to do. Anything of mine, I love decorating. So loves, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. I'll always be making more and producing more content. Just make sure you go and share it with your friends and family, and tell me some feedback. Like, I like to hear feedback. Even though I say that I don't like to hear feedback, in the long run and wanting to see my future self, I want to hear some feedback. Ask me some questions.